Okay guys, so my package came, or my gift came from my job. Which one did I pick? Did I pick the necklace, the bracelet, or did I pick the grill? Let's see. Well, clearly you know I didn't pick the grill, which is how it looks. Did I just show y'all all my info? A nice box. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, it's like a jewelry box. Let's see if I can get it. So guys, I picked the necklace. And I guess it comes with a cute little jewelry box. Oh, that's nice. This is really nice. Oh. Oh, I really like it. So that's what I picked, guys.
Oh, they're hiring people.
Taylor said they're hiring people. What's up, Mama? Okay. I can't hear you, Mom. You got candy home.
Is it a 4-cylinder? Now the question is it for the alternator and the air conditioner or the power steering?
The alternating air conditioner.
I'd be scared for you. Alrighty, I have a 3-year replacement for $18.49 or 1 year for $16.49.
We'll do the 3-year.
Kind of figured you'd say that. $2 more for 2
Yeah.
years.
I'm gonna see if I can find me a steering wheel cover that I like. They have car Whirlpool? Oh yeah. Next stop, Staples.
Wait, are you ready for a video?
Yep.
I was wondering why you were recording.
Because the who's Taylor's? Hold on, Taylor. I know.
Like, at first I thought I was the only table with them 8. No. There's only people in the world.
Yeah, this box should fit. Yeah. This box should work. I'll find some thank you cards. Oh yeah. Oh okay. Oh, this is so pretty. Look. Oh.
Oh, I like this one.
Just so pretty.
I like this. No, I like this one.
That's cute.
Oh, no, this
Hmm?
one. Oh, Mama's having fun. This is pretty. Not you like this one. I like this one.
see y'all. I'm trying to see. I guess we leave it because I can't find. I can't find what I'm looking for. Oh yeah. All right, I guess we leave.
I'll make my own.
Oh, let's try down here.
Cheaper than
What to make what?
yes,
Oh yeah.
I love this. I love it. I'm gonna say something.
Let me see.
Oh, I got something like this. It's not shaped like this. Mommy, don't you got something like this?
Mm-hmm. And I got something like this too at the bottom. It's purple.
Yeah. Yeah, I got something shaped like that. I mean, not shaped. I got something like that, but it keep my stuff burning so hot on it.
Yep, Taylor got the one for the box. She got the water one and the food one. It keeps your food hot for 5 hours.
Oh.
And then the cup keeps it your drink cold for 12 hours.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's how mine is too. Never did mine. I think mine was actually like over. This is like wow. Oh, sticky! Pretty sticky nose. This is very pretty sticky nose. Wait. Audit? Audit? John sticker. Audit, oh my god, so cute. Nice sticky nose, pretty sticky nose.
Happy Saturday. Yeah, happy Saturday, guys. I hope you guys are having a good Saturday. I hope you had a good week. I hope you had a good month. I hope you're having a good year. All of that. Today is, give me that boy. Today is Saturday. I wanted to come and do an intro for the vlog because it is about 2 o'clock, so I haven't picked up the camera. Let me let the baby out. I didn't pick up the camera until about an hour ago, and you'll see in the previous clips that we were at the auto store because I'm having car trouble. Every time I turn on my air, turn the car off, and then turn the car back on, the car won't start. Well, it'll turn over, but when I put it in gear to drive, it will not do anything. So I don't got time to be sitting in no hot car jail with some kids. So we first thought it was the alternator. The guy said it's not the alternator. Then we thought it was the battery. Maybe the battery's being drained. It's not that. So he told me that it's probably something called a serpentine belt that it works for the air conditioner and the alternator. Okay, give me that. So I went to get that, and the guy's going to put it on tomorrow, and hopefully, y'all, please pray that that's what it is, because I don't got time to be kicking out no whole bunch of money for my car, y'all. But he's, like I said, he said it wasn't the transmission, which I'm thankful for that. He said it wasn't the engine. I'm thankful for that. What, dude? It's not the alternator, so hold on, guys. So let's hope that's what it is. But I just wanted to say hello, guys, and I'll see you in a little bit. Taylor has company this weekend. Her girlfriend is over, so you might not see too much of her, because, you know, when she have her company, she, you know, entertaining. So Tyson, put that back. But you'll probably see Tyson. See you guys in a bit. Come back, little boy. Come back. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What are you talking about? Your feet? Feet? Your feet? Feet? Why are you on my feet? My feet ashy. My feet ashy. My feet ashy. My feet ashy, dude.
Okay.
You fixing my pants? They not supposed to be like that? They're not supposed to be ripped like that? So you gonna hook me up? Oh, good job. Yes. You gonna hook me up, dude? Yes. Oh, I like when you say yes.